हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन आवर ओन चैनल गौरव टिप्स इन्फो। माय नेम इज गौरव। दोस्तों, आज की ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है आप सभी दोस्तों के लिए। दोस्तों, आप लोग की जो भी क्वेरीज हैं डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर से लेकर, अगर आप फ्रेशर हैं डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में, आप जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, आपके अंदर क्वेरी है कैसे हम जॉब पा सकते हैं, और भी जो भी क्वेरी है आपके अंदर कि आप डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में कैरियर बनाना चाहते हैं तो आप कैसे बना सकते हैं, ऐसे बहुत से क्वेश्चन लगातार दोस्तों मेरे से पूछे जाते हैं। तो आज की इस वीडियो में दोस्तों हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं मिस्टर विभोर शुक्ला से, जो कि एक डेवलपमेंट प्रोफेशनल हैं। He has more than 4 years of experience working with various respected and renowned NGOs, CSR and development organizations। ठीक है दोस्तों, तो आज इनसे हम लोग इसी टॉपिक्स पे बात करेंगे, इन्हीं सारे क्वेश्चंस पे हम इनके आंसर लेंगे। दोस्तों बने रहे हमारे साथ वीडियो में लास्ट तक। और दोस्तों ये जो इंटरव्यू है दोस्तों, इस चैनल पे पहला इंटरव्यू होने वाला है। अगर आप दोस्तों इस इंटरव्यू को लाइक करते हैं, पसंद करते हैं, तो हमें जरूर बताइएगा, लाइक करिएगा, वीडियो कमेंट में लिखिएगा, ठीक है, ताकि हमको पता लग पाए। तो ऐसे और भी इंटरव्यूज में आप सभी लोग के सामने लाने की कोशिश करूंगा दोस्तों। तो चलिए दोस्तों इंटरव्यू को स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आप लोग दोस्तों पहली बार चैनल पे आए हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा वीडियो देख रहे हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है कर लीजिएगा, ताकि आपको ऐसे और भी लगातार वीडियो लगातार मिलते रहें। दोस्तों चलिए हम लोग मिस्टर विभोर से मिलते हैं और उनसे आगे की बात करते हैं। सो वेलकम विभोर ऑन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल गौरव टिप्स इन्फो।
Thank you, Gaurav.
So Vibhor, first of all, I want to let you know that we have audiences from several background and they have several queries regarding development sector. So on today's discussion, I would like you to put some lights on development sector.
Okay. So, if I were to start, what is development sector is? It is basically, we can say, after the Second World War, we have a basic background of the NGO sector, like this, and government, an organization which is working parallel to the government, but not the government things. So after the Second World War, they have their brief starting, and now it has been at different areas for working in the development sector. Basically, it deals with the welfare of the humanity, either through the education sector, livelihood sector, livestock, watershed, or water resources, several things. It's basically like anything which is for the welfare of the people. It's totally comes on the development sector.
Okay, Vibhor, तो आप क्या बता सकते हैं if anyone who want to make their career in development sector, how they can make their career in development sector?
Okay. If like if people if the students are in their class 10th or 12th, after the 12th, if they want to build their career, either they can pursue like bachelor of social work, or they can go for BA from TIS, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, or from Azim Premji University as well, and like JNU sociology. These subjects are really good for the base for building a strong base in this development sector. After the bachelor, if somebody has done bachelor of science, BSc, or like any subject, BTech, or from any stream, doesn't matter, MBBS even, after the graduation he or she may can join different topics like governance, public policy, development studies, rural development, rural management, then governance and policies making, and rural development. There's different subjects in India on which you can really work well. There are several institutes as well, just like the XLRI, Xavier Institute, then the Labor Studies Institute as well, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Azim Premji University, JNU. And then for the governance point of view, people can also go for ISPP, Indian Institute of Public Policy, IIM Bangalore, for the public policy. So it totally depends upon the interest. Like in the beginning you won't get a good career, like you don't feel like I'll get a high huge package कि मुझे पहली बार में ही 10 लाख 15 लाख का पैकेज मिलेगा. But the important thing is that you will be satisfied if you will work in the development sector. Even in the starting, if you will getting 15 to 20,000 per month, but when you will work throughout the day, in the night when you will go to sleep, you will feel like you have done something better for the community as well, for the people who really need someone who is educated. You can guide them how they can enhance their skills, how they can enhance their livelihood, at least they can empower the women as well. So it's a good career, but depends totally upon the interest, because you are not being allowed to live in that limelight of the city. You have to be in the far of the tribal areas, or you have to stay away from the city as well, at the block level, village level, and there you won't be getting all the amenities of your life. You have to sustain your life in that minimum necessities things like basics of food, रोटी कपड़ा मकान. So
Okay.
एक shed हो आपके पास, एक खाने को हो, and then कपड़े हो, that's it. You won't get everything out there. You have to suffer for everything, and that suffering of yours can make you realize and can give you a limelight things that you can make an outline of it, that what the people of that area has been suffering through. Either that area is a drought prone area, then you can thought of like कि वहाँ पे पानी नहीं होगा, so you can make some plan regarding drought prone areas. Or if they don't have any marketing, they have vegetables but they cannot sell, and you can even not get, you are even unable to fetch the vegetables at the right time. For that fetching you have to for to buy that, if you have to suffer a lot, you have to travel a lot, then you can plan that thing. But staying with them is the only thing you can learn a lot.
ओके व्यूअर, थैंक यू। जैसा कि तुमने बताया कि बहुत से ऐसे कोर्सेज हैं जिसको करके कोई भी जो डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में करियर बनाना चाहता है वो कर सकता है। ऑल कोर्सेज के बारे में आपने बताया विच इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेक देयर करियर इन डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर। ओके, सो बिफोर हमारे पास बहुत से ऑडियंसेज ऐसे हैं जो ऑलरेडी दे हैव डन ऑल दिस कोर्सेज बट दे हैव नो एनी जॉब राइट नाउ। ओके, दे डिडंट गेट प्लेसमेंट फ्रॉम कैंपस, सो हाउ दे कैन गेट जॉब इन डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर विदाउट एनी वर्क एक्सपीरियंस?
Okay, so yeah, from the last 2 years after the COVID and during the COVID, many of the premium institutes are unable to provide placements as well. So at this point of time, I would like to tell them that give focus on enhancing your skills, either through online courses or some courses that can enhance their skills, because they even didn't went for a direct contact classes. They have done their online modes. So exactly meeting and learning their means, they won't be fulfilling all the requirements of that organization, but they can have their enhance their skills. They should focus on how they can prepare their curriculum vitae and resume, because if they are fresher, they have a strong curriculum vitae as well, because so that they can be placed. And there are this is like I cannot say openly कि कहीं किसी NGOs में job नहीं है, because development sector was the only sector from the last 2 years, since the last 2 years, that has provided several opportunity to different people as well, like all over the world. Like the health sector, in the health sector, all the health workers and the rest of the people they are working 24/7, and they need more people to work with them. So it is totally up to them that in which area they want to build their career, whether in the development sector, exactly in the rural development. In the rural development there are several sectors like education, health, then policy drafting, then women empowerment, farmer producer organization, agriculture, watershed. There are several things in which area they want to build their career. That is important. And if they have that area, they have identified that area, they should search for the NGOs that are working in that area, and then only they can send their CVs with a strong interest with a cover letter as well. Thank you.
सो वी वुड थैंक यू वेरी मच। और जैसा कि आपने बोला कि CV एंड रेज्यूमे में उनको काफ़ी ध्यान देना चाहिए, तो कैन यू टेल मी सम पॉइंट्स मतलब कैंडिडेट शुड कीप इन माइंड वाइल प्रिपेयरिंग द CV और रेज्यूमे?
If they are fresher, okay, if they are fresher and they didn't got any job, so I would like them to focus on their field experiences. They must have gone through internship, they must have gone through field work experiences, they must have submitted their thesis and reports. So they must include those things in their curriculum vitae or resume as well, so that the recruiter can go through that, because even that person is aware of that कि ये बंदे के पास experience नहीं है, but your past little experience can help you to get a job, and after getting that job will help you to get a new job. Thank you.
सो विभोर, आपने बहुत ही अच्छे से सारी चीज़ों को, सारे पॉइंट्स पे आपने बात की, बहुत ही अच्छे से आपने सारे पॉइंट्स को रखा, बहुत ही अच्छे से आपने ऑडियंस को समझाया, एंड इट वाज वेरी नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू। और मुझे लगता है अगर इन सारी पॉइंट्स पे हमारी ऑडियंस ध्यान देती है तो वो अच्छा करियर अपना डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में बना सकती है। और जो भी फ्रेशर्स हैं जो डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में अपना करियर बनाने को सोच रहे हैं, जॉब पाने को सोच रहे हैं, उनको आसानी से जॉब मिल सकती है। थैंक यू वेरी मच विभोर।
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you.